This is Primary Healthcare Center Dawaki in the Federal Capital Territory. It is a day for immunization, but nursing mothers will get something better. A group of people from Mandate Health Empowerment Initiative are here to explain and give a name to some of the feelings these mothers have experienced. Mr. Amme Abba, founder of the initiative, speaks on the essence of the outreach.
The place of mental health cannot be overemphasized, and so that is why we are here to see how we can educate them on mental health, and also on some very critical issues around drugs and substance misuse, to see how all of this connect together to affecting or impacting on their mental health. So essentially that's why we're here. It's very important we take seriously and prioritize the issues around maternal and child mental health. It will interest you to know that this particular program we're having today here is not just happening in Abuja, but this is a program that is marking our 6th-year anniversary, and it's happening across 9 states. And all of these states, it's happening at the community level, at the grassroots level. And a couple of them have been able to enjoy some form of psychosocial support because we have a toll-free line that people can take advantage of, and we have 3 sections for them per individual that will be engaging those lines for support. And it's been very, very helpful. We've had courses to also refer people who we feel need treatment beyond therapies, beyond psychosocial support. We've had courses to refer people to neuropsychiatric hospitals, and after sometimes, they are very, very happy at the improvement in their health and the health of their family members. A couple of persons also have come down with drug misuse disorders, and from our programs, they have also enjoyed referrals and also support, and they are now back to society, back and fitted back to schools and to their families, and they're doing very well.
The officer in charge of Dawaki Center, Mrs. Florence Oyebola, commends this initiative.
Mandate for Health Initiative is a very good development because we never have this before. We've been seeing young boys that have been abusing drugs, that if they are not taken care of, and we do refer them to the right places to be taken care of, so it's quite good for them to come and talk to them. And when they are educated, thank God, Nigerian public, they are knowing now that mental health, a lot of things can lead to it. So they need education. When they are educated and they are well aware of the factors contributing to it, they will adjust and change lifestyle. So it's a good development.
Ms. Anne Alogu is a psychologist. She offers hope to mothers who may be going through depression.
With pregnant women and nursing mothers, the most common psychological problem that you can identify there is called generalized anxiety, when you are worried about a whole lot of things. Like you are nursing a child, it's a problem. And then maybe you are in a big environment where the mother-in-law is there, the brother-in-laws, extended family. You have to cater for your child, cater for your husband, and then you are worried, maybe you have a business you are running outside. You are worried about a whole lot of things. So it's anxiety on different levels about different activities. And then you can also identify postpartum depression among women when they have children. And because of all these things that I've mentioned, because of the anxiety, you see they become withdrawn. Some of them, even when you give them their child, they reject the children. They will say, take this child away from me. And then it's a problem, it's a psychological problem, it's a mental disorder, and it is called postpartum depression. While speaking with them, I saw that most of these women, they've experienced this, but they cannot put a name to it. They did not even know what it was until I mentioned it. And some of them agreed that they had experienced that and they were willing to seek help also.
Postpartum depression is real and mothers go through them. You are not alone. Please speak up. And here is a toll-free number to call: 08006 434 22737 or 0800 MHEI Cares. Meanwhile, in recognition of the essential service the organization offers to keep a mentally healthy nation, the National Association of Nigerian Students (NANS) presented an African Leadership Award to the founder of the initiative after the outreach, applauding his many roles in keeping Nigerians sane.